Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Hello and welcome to the video. So here we have another burger review. We have done the bean burger, the impossible burger, the Whopper.
Not called that here.
Oh. Let's start again.
That's the one in America.
Hello and welcome to the video. So today we're going to be reviewing the KFC vegan burger. We've tried the bean burger, we have tried the Whopper burger, and we have tried the Royale.
Yes, and we've tried Aldi's Zinger burger.
Oh, yes. I just found out, I actually thought this was a brand new burger, but I just Googled it after buying it, and apparently people were reviewing this a year ago, so...
Yeah, it's been out for a while. I did have one about a year ago. Not.
And you always bring it up every time you have a burger about
not long into lockdown, yeah, exactly, yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, this is exciting. We've also got some exciting vegan treats to try afterwards as well, so make sure you watch all the way through to the end. But yeah, so excited to try this. So I guess
Sichuan looks more appetizing than the Burger King Royale. Burger King Royale was quite sloppy.
Yeah,
I feel like they've actually done quite a good job of making
sturdy.
This look appealing. Like the bun is dead rounded and stuff. So, but you can't really get this on an offer. So BK is really half the price of this. So
yeah, £4.
Let's take that into account.
£4 for the burger, and the only other thing you could get was a burger and a drink.
Yeah, you can't get it as a meal with fries.
Yeah, don't think we're allowed anything. Anyway, bon appetit.
It's the herbs. 11 herbs, as they say in America. 11 herbs and spices.
That is well dense.
It's got a lot of flavour to it, that.
Oh my god.
I've never heard you that happy about anything.
That is...
Oh my god.
That is... I'm going back
Unbelievable. I feel jealous.
That is good. The thing where I always realise when I start to do these food reviews is I'm no good at reviewing food. Like, all I can say is like, yeah, it's really good. It's really, you know, like some people are like, oh, it's woody, oaky texture.
But you can definitely taste the herbs.
It's got the special spices. The bun's nice and bready. It is a really nice bun, to be fair.
Can't tell. Pete took his lettuce off, but there's actually a decent amount of lettuce.
Yeah.
And it wasn't all over the place.
Presentation.
I wish I could do a side by side. You probably can, maybe. The picture of my Royale.
Oh.
I think it was my Royale. Oh no, was it? Maybe it was a bean burger.
The bean
or the
burgers were the disaster.
That looked like a flippy shoe.
It's because the Royale's like in a weird bun.
It is hard being in a long thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Short and stubby all the way. I thought it was sad they didn't do like vegan buckets.
Babe, give them a chance.
No, but they could though, couldn't they? Because they obviously have the vegan burgers.
You're always sad they don't do vegan buckets.
Yeah, it'd be fun, wouldn't it?
Every time you think about KFC, which is rarely ever.
Yeah. It'd be fun though if we could have got a bucket.
One day. But I think this isn't bad. Is it?
Yeah, £4 though. You could have 2 Royales or 2 Whoppers.
I actually think this is
You
better.
go one,
though. Maybe,
go for
yeah.
Only because I'm a greedy guts, I'd go for the 2
No,
Royales. I did really like the Royale though. This is like a more like spicy, flavoursome Royale. The Royale's just kind of like vanilla, and this is kind of like, you know,
Mint
Pikachu
chocolate.
or something.
Fun fact, I'm not saying this because I'm vegan or anything, but we just found out that Diet Pepsi isn't vegan.
Oh yeah.
On KFC menu, all drinks are vegan except for Diet Pepsi. And you Google it online and nobody knows why. Mystery of the 20.
Maybe it's because some people
century.
hate anything that's vegan, and if they found out Diet Pepsi was vegan, they'd be like, oh, I don't want it. So they've made one that's like, oh, this is definitely not vegan. So people are like, yeah, vegans, drink Pepsi Max.
Maybe. It's doubtful, but maybe.
What?
No, maybe. I'm like, maybe agree.
Oh, I thought you were going to join
How
in.
much you've got left? Yes, it's really tasty. Look at the bun, is perfect. I'd love to go though to a BK with like a do-gooder, like someone who tries really hard, who likes everything perfect. 'Cause I'd love to get like a Royale or a Whopper that looks like really good. So somewhere they must look good. Like someone likes making things look good. Surely. Love to try.
Probably like
one
on
where
your
they look
first
good.
day, isn't it?
Maybe.
And then like each day your soul gets destroyed a little bit. And then like a year they're just like spitting on the burgers, aren't they? I wonder what that was
I
like.
feel like that was a thing at one point. No, someone in a yeah,
Did they though?
McDonald's, I'm sure.
What, when there's like 20 other people around? It's just a story, isn't it?
Maybe.
When the McDonald's in New Zealand was like supposed to be horrific, and Tom said that like after the end of the shift they all have like a hug, you know, 'cause it's been like such an horrific like all the stuff people at like 2 in the
Because
morning.
it'd be like well busy, wouldn't
yeah,
it?
and the point is they just like have a hug.
It's really good.
I know, you're gonna eat all yours.
We kept talking about the Aldi Zinger burger,
Mm.
and you almost wanted to do a comparison. I know this isn't meant to be a Zinger, you know, like Zinger has a bit more spice or whatever. This is definitely better than
The Aldi one.
Aldi burger.
100%. But I would say
The Aldi burger is still really good.
is like, you know, when people say like, oh, that's a poor man's David Beckham. Like, I'd say the Aldi one's like a poor man's KFC burger. Like, it's good.
I still think
but
it's better than the BK though.
Yeah, it's the Aldi one is really good. It's just not as good as, it's like not quite. This does have the magic spices, doesn't it?
It's fair to say. KFC is chicken. That's what they specialise in. BK do a chicken burger, but really they specialise in
Burgers.
flame grilled burger.
Yeah.
And I said their burger was their Whopper
Yeah.
was a kind
I
of like
thought
the
the Royale
best.
was unreal though.
But I think the Royale was fine.
I've watched other people's reviews on YouTube and everyone said the Royale's were
But it's got nothing on this.
No, but I love them
But
all, to be honest.
It's meant to be almost more comparable in taste. Like these two are meant to be the most alike than any that we've tried.
I think they're all very different though. I feel like I could be in the mood for any of them.
To me, this is the same as the chicken royale, but just 5,000 times better.
Maybe. Okay, while we wait for Loretta to finish that, I'm going to have some of these, which we discovered a few weeks ago. If you love snacking and you love protein, these are... So it's like...
They're seriously tasty.
Yeah, 20 grams of protein and like 300 and something calories. Oh yeah. Just
still not
if you've
making
never
that, are we?
never seen a crisp before. But yeah.
I don't know what they're comparable to. They're not like Doritos or anything.
They're nothing like Doritos. That's exactly what I was thinking. I was like, how would you describe it?
I said this before. They taste like barbecue skips. But
Yes.
thicker.
Yeah, you can literally like bite chunks off them.
Like really crunchy, like quite hard.
Yeah.
It's like 20 grams of protein.
That's what I've said that.
Oh, did you? I don't listen.
And they're like 25 grams of protein, I think.
Oh, I keep... Just sat back like you.
I'll make some ice cream as well, I think. The guy across the road always has his top off. Like 3 doors down. Oh, that might be in the party house.
Maybe.
I don't think I've seen him with the top on.
Really?
Just always bowling around.
I saw our neighbour on that side for the first time yesterday.
No, I've never seen them either.
He didn't seem that happy to see me, to be honest.
Huh?
Like, hi. Just like, Hi. He can probably hear me, can he? No.
No. If they could, we'd be able to hear them talking.
My grandparents, you can hear.
Really?
Yeah, a little bit.
No, I doubt it. You can't even hear their telly or anything.
True.
It's weird in the morning when I come down there and make a smoothie. I can always hear them like scattering around next door.
Scattering, but not talking.
No. You've taken like 20 minutes to eat a burger.
Always.
I feel like we need to rate it because we just said how we think it's the best burger the whole way through the thing. So it's definitely the best burger, in my opinion.
Yeah. Like the spices are so nice. Like it really has a lot of flavour.
Okay, and now for the final review.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
No, I meant your...
Oh. I actually have tried this before, I didn't tell you.
Oh, keep it off.
With Jack and Colin.
Get it off the camera.
Vegan Kinder Bueno, basically. You know you're not having a whole stick, don't you?
No, I just have a little...
This is love.
Love raw.
Love raw. Basically.
You don't get much, do you?
What do you mean? You get like a whole Kinder Bueno bar. It's just... What? This is maybe 3 times the price. $1.70.
You doing a bite?
Yeah. Or you just... Bite. We're so bad at that.
Ooh, it'll be easier when I use my camera tomorrow.
Right. Kinder Bueno. My favourite Roche's one. That's good, isn't it? 10 out of 10.
That's good.
10 out of 10.
That's been a good little food test.
Yeah.
I think that's it, is it? And that's going to be it for the video. Do you want to... You normally do this when you're in.
Thank you for tuning in. If you like the video, subscribe.
If you like the video, like the
If
video.
you like the video, like the video. If you're new, subscribe. We'd be really happy. And we'll see you next time.
I'm impressed.
You're not going to use that, you.
What? For outro?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else are you
It's like cringe.
Yeah.
To put some of those in a bowl.
Yeah. We're going to half see them.